Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw realistic lips using graphite pencil for beginners. So first I'm going to show you the stationery that I used. HB graphite pencil and a 7B graphite pencil. You can even use a darker shade if you want, or any even lighter, 5B, 6B. Then a blender and Kohinoor white charcoal pencil. You could use any other brand. Derwent electric eraser, Tombow mono eraser. This is used for fine erasing. I didn't use it that much, but still it's very useful. Finally, Strathmore gray tone paper. So I'm going to start with a simple circle, and the bottom I'm going to draw two more circles touching each other. This is going to form the basis for the lips. So now I'm going to draw two V, very flattened V on top and bottom of the bigger circle, and going to extend the lower V to form the middle of the lips, the horizontal slanting line of the lips. And I'm going to make it a full pout. So the bottom, from the bottom two circles, I'm going to extend till the corner of the extended lines so that it will form the lower lip. I'm also forming the upper lip. See, now you get the entire shape of the lip so easily just with these three circles and flattened V's. Now I'm going to do a little more shading in the middle of the lips. So, between the upper and lower lip, if even if the lips are closed, it's a lot darker if you observe any picture or any lips. I'm also going to make the left corner of the lips darker, bottom lip, because I'm assuming that the light falls from the right side on the lips. So if you take the earth for example, day and night, that's the night is because the sun is not falling on earth. Similar way, the lips has day and night as well. Wherever the light is not falling on the lip, it's going to be darker and it's going to make it more real. Now I'm going to draw a lot. I'm making everything a lot more darker. The center, between the upper and lower lip, the center line, I'm making it a lot more darker. I'm shading it a lot more. And if you see the corner of the lips, right, both the side left and right, it's a little bit dark. It's to just, if you see any lips, it's curved a little inward. And on the top lip, now I'm adding more depth. I'm shading it a little bit darker. So because all lips have lines and folds, so that's what I'm adding. If you take your own upper lip, it's a little bit darker than your lower lip. So that's exactly what I'm trying to capture here. You can draw along with me, and I'm pretty sure you'll get the same result. Now with the help blender, I'm just drawing those vertical lines, vertical folds on the lips, and I'm going to trace that with an HB pencil. So see, I'm drawing those vertical fold lines because lips have lines on them, especially the lower lip has a lot of lines, and that's what adds more detail. I'm gonna keep erasing and adding more and more, because now I'm using a darker shade of pencil like 7B and making it a little bit darker in certain areas, and certain areas I'm just leaving it lighter. And I keep coming back to the partition line between upper and lower lip because it's supposed to be dark. That's what gives it definition. Now on the outside of the lip, I'm blending. I'm using the blender. I'm creating some skin shades. This is to make it look more realistic. I'm also drawing the cupid's bow. I'm not even using a pencil. I'm only using the blender to draw the cupid's bow. So now I'm going to use the white charcoal pencil. This is my favorite part. It makes it pop so well and gives such a highlighted look. So I'm just putting it where the light would touch the lips. To take a picture, you can just follow my techniques and just put the highlighter, which is the white charcoal pencil, where the light touches and blend it a little bit. And trust me, you're going to get a realistic looking lips in your hands. Then darkening the lips a little bit more, the lines, the corner of the lips, and the middle of the lips, the middle of the partition. Everything is going to look a little bit darker, so you'll get that pop of the lips. I'm just adding more detail because it's important. Now we are going to finish it by blending this darkened lip lines. One side of the right corner of the lip is a little bit lighter than the left, right? I'm using the eraser to, remove certain lines, blend it with my blender, and voila, you got the lips. Just, I'm a little obsessive, so I'll keep adding more and more touches. But if you're not, you already have your final lips, realistic looking graphite pencil lips. Yeah, you can see it coming to life, right? Just draw a nose and eyes along with this, and you have a realistic looking features for your face. So I will tag the eyes and nose video along with this so you can watch it as well. And it's done and done. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I hope you really liked this video. If you really liked it, please comment, share, and subscribe, and watch more of my videos and help me grow my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.